Hi everyone, here's step-by-step guide how to download uTorrent on your PC or laptop. So first of all, open up your favorite browser, in my case it's Google Chrome, and tap on search icon. Just type in here, download uTorrent. Tap on enter and scroll down until you find this link, https www.utorrent.com desktop. Tap on here and after that you can see here's uTorrent Classic and you can tap on free download. After that you can scroll here at the bottom and tap on this icon. So as you can see, I successfully download uTorrent. I can tap on run button and after that tap on next. I agree and tap right here and choose whatever you want right here. Tap next, finish, and that's it. As you can see, I successfully installed Torrent for my PC, and you can find uTorrent files and start it on your PC or laptop. That's it, I hope it helps. Please consider subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up, and also you can watch this new video or this playlist about Windows. See you next time!